Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. Following on from a coin hunt that I did a little bit earlier with some 50p's, I originally took all my 50p's that were Olympic and sports related out of my 50p Till Raider book, and I had a few spares where I picked them up over a couple of years, Olympics and sports coins. Now Change Checker decided to put together a challenge to get you to do a coin for the Olympics, and you could extend it to cover all the sporting coins. Well, I had a sort through my Olympics, and this is them. Look at all these. There's, I think, about 20 there out of the 29. So we're going to go through them and we're going to put them in the album. We're going to take out the placeholders where we need to. So let's get going. The first one I have here is weightlifting. So if we go towards the back, we have the completed coin, and I'm looking at weightlifting and it's there. So we take the weightlifting out and we have a flipped version to go in. These are in no particular order, so they could be anyone. The next one in is shooting. Now shooting is where? Oh, it's at the top of this page still. So go and get this top left hand corner one out and put the shooting one in. Next one is sailing. The sailing's on the page before and it's the last one. There we go. Sailing. Come on. You do fitting there. The next one I can see is rowing, which is the one next to it. So if I take that one out, and there you go, we have rowing. I'm not sure if this one's judo or wrestling. Take a look at the wrestling one. Yep, this one's wrestling. There you go, wrestling. One of the rare Olympic coins. Then we have table tennis, or sometimes known as whiff waff. Table tennis comes out and the the flipped version goes in. Next one we have is Master Dan, the Taekwondo, which is the third one across the top line here. And Master Dan's in. Next one we have, you see that one? Wheelchair rugby, which is this one here. The next one we have is volleyball. We're doing quite well on this page actually. think we might only be needing one at the end of it. Or perhaps two. The two that we've got left now. I'm not sure if I've got either of those in this lot. My next one is modern pentathlon. I believe it is. Yep, there we go, down the bottom here. And there's the coin. Next one we have is handball. Handball is on the line above. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Bungle's gonna hate me. Yeah, it's football. For the offside rule. I would say sorry, Bungle, but I'm not. I'm very glad to have it in my collection. Right, this was the one that came with a set. And it's canoeing. This was the one that Change Checker sent with this pack as a starter coin. Ooh. And the next one is cycling, which is there. Right, and the next one is some ladies hitting each other with sticks at hockey. If I remember the game of hockey, sticks were used as weapons to try and stop the other players winning. Then we have a horsey one, equestrian, and equestrian goes there. I wonder how many I'm going to have left I still need. Oh, go and get in there. Right, our next one is gymnastics, which is here. Next one is badminton on the top line. It's the first one on the top line for us. I would imagine judo is going to be one of the ones that we haven't got and that will be stuck on. Then we have an archery, which is the most common of the Olympics. Then we have aquatics. Next one we have is boxing. It looks as if I could have a couple of easier ones still to get. So there's boxing, and the last one in the Olympics is pointy sticks. Pointy sticks. Fencing. So we have left athletics. So if I can just get, we have athletics, basketball, bocce, go ball, judo, and tennis, and modern pentathlon, I think. Is it? No, that's not pentathlon, is it? Triathlon. Those are the ones I have left to get. However, I am going to put another leaf into this book in a second. I don't have a spare one here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that one there. Oh, it's a 3-pocket. I have another 20 pocket album leaf here, and what I'll do is I'll open this up and put this one in. Now, you may wonder why I've done this, because we've got all the Olympics already designated spaces for them. Well, there are some other sports coins. The first one is a 2014 Commonwealth Games. We then have the 2016 Team GB 50p. We have the 2004 Roger Bannister for the sub 4 minute mile. And then we have a little bit of a special one here, a 2019 from the series that they did for the Culture series, the 2019 sub 4 minute mile Roger Bannister. So those are 4 extra sports coins I got. I am going to be adding placement pieces of card to cover the 4 Commonwealth Games that were from 2002 £2 coins. We got then the Beijing, the Rio and the Century for £2. We have at least two other Team GBs from 2020 and 2021 to put in there, and there may be others. So I'll be making those up in the next day or so to add to that list, and that ends this particular coin challenge for the first part. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2011 Olympics, and I need to get some of the £2 coins and the other 50p's like the Team GB 2020 and 2021 50p's. And of course there's also this year's Commonwealth to go in there as well. The Commonwealth Birmingham coins go in there as well. So that ends this one for the moment. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And this is for the sports booklet. If you've enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. I very, very much appreciate it, because it will help me towards getting a higher rating on the algorithm that will then put me in front of new people to watch my videos. If you're a returner, or even if you're somebody who's here for the first time and you've enjoyed this, as I said, please give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing. I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes and other objects, so to speak. if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one. If you are buying coins from wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can find the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. Until we meet up again, hopefully on this channel in the not too distant future, it's goodbye from me. Ta-ra now. Ta-ra.